Before I begin this video, let me clarify what lean software development is. Lean software development, LSD, is an agile framework based on optimizing development time and resources, eliminating waste, and ultimately delivering only what the product needs. The lean approach is also often referred to as the minimum viable product (MVP) strategy, in which a team releases a bare minimum version of its product to the market, learns from users what they like, don't like, and want to be added, and then iterates based on this feedback. History of lean software development. Let us talk about a brief history of lean software development in this video. Lean software development actually borrows its philosophy from the manufacturing industry, which originated the lean development process as a way to optimize production and assembly lines to minimize waste and maximize customer value. In fact, it was originally called the Toyota Production System because automaker Toyota invented this approach in the middle of the 20th century as a way to streamline its production of cars and eliminate wasted time and resources. Eventually, other manufacturing organizations across many industries began using this system, and the name later changed to Lean. The methodology was first applied to the creation of software in 2003 with the publication of the now famous book Lean Software Development. Today, Lean is considered an agile methodology. That is because of the fact that its projects have iterative structure, its teams are small and self-managing, and the degree of customer involvement into its projects is large. Lean and Agile principles have much in common. When comparing Lean and Agile, experts often point to the similarities rather than the differences. Lean and Agile work together so seamlessly that it's difficult to tell them apart. They are sometimes referred to in tandem as Lean Agile. The last three Lean principles highlight some of what the Lean methodology has in common with Agile. In both cases, the product development team sets the pace and is responsible for delivering the product. Agile teams do this using the sprint methodology. And Lean's optimizing the whole principle is similar to the Agile retrospective, where team members gather after a project's completion to discuss successes and challenges. There are some subtle differences between the two processes. It is important to know that Lean focuses on building better processes, while Agile's focus is to build better products. Agile practices seek to create products that meet consumer needs and expectations, and Lean is one way to achieve that goal. Lean is often counted as one of several Agile frameworks. Scrum and Kanban are two others. The Agile methodology is detailed in the Agile Manifesto, which contains a set of values and principles that guide the Agile frameworks. Lean methodology is not well understood and is frequently mistaken for Agile. Because of its larger applications, Lean is possibly less well defined. Lean was first presented as an organizational set of procedures and practices for company management, and only afterwards adapted to software development. It has a more direct tie with the Toyota Production System. Agile, on the other hand, was created by software professionals expressly for software development. After going over the shared background and main concepts of these two approaches, it's clear that they have more similarities than differences. Lean principles originated in manufacturing to optimize the production system and process to reduce waste and increase customer value. Lean is a methodology focused on maximizing value delivery, eliminating waste, and continuously improving processes and people. Lean principles focus on removing any steps that don't directly contribute to a quality product while emphasizing collaboration between teams so that each individual's skills are used optimally. Let's explore the details of each Lean software development principle in this video. 1. Eliminate waste. In Lean software development, eliminating waste means getting rid of elements and tasks that do not add value. Identifying bottlenecks in areas that generate waste is an important part of this principle. Waste, also known as muda in Japanese, can be described as features, tasks, or pieces of code that are not needed, excess bureaucracy, inefficient communication, data duplication, or quality issues. How to implement. One way to spot and eliminate waste in processes is to use the right metrics, e.g. software delivery performance metrics like MTTR or LTFC, or process metrics like throughput. By tracking the right metrics continuously, you can find bottlenecks in various stages of product creation, like development, testing, or incident monitoring. 2. Improve quality. Lean aims to create value, reduce waste, and enhance quality. Code needs to be effectively tested and verified to increase the quality of the final product. This principle applies not only to the coding process but also to communication, which can be improved by providing regular feedback. How to implement? To implement this approach, methodologies such as pair programming and test-driven development can be beneficial. Setting up automated tests and health checks also helps to increase the product quality. 3. Amplify learning. Implementing lean methodology requires building a specific culture within the development team or the entire organization. This involves freely sharing knowledge and giving everyone the opportunity to contribute their opinions and suggestions to the project. One of the goals is to ensure that knowledge is not held by only one person. How to implement? To foster a learning culture, organize frequent knowledge-sharing sessions. Implement code reviewing and start organizing cross-team meetings. You can also go a step further and start implementing the whole BizDevOps approach, which requires tearing boundaries between teams. 4. Delay commitment. The next principle of lean software development is learning as much as possible before committing to serious, irreversible decisions. This is because the market environment is constantly and rapidly changing. Gathering data increases the likelihood of staying current, ensures a better fit with the market, and allows for more accurate identification of risks and threats. How to implement? Along with chosen stakeholders from your organization, prepare a decision-making model that will include necessary steps and balance the need to gather data before making decisions with the need for fast product delivery and learning. 5. Quick delivery. On the other hand, the next principle of lean software development is delivering products quickly in order to receive customer feedback and start the product optimization process. It also applies to releasing as often as possible. This approach speeds up the learning process from both successful and unsuccessful outcomes, while eliminating the possibility of developing unnecessary features. How to implement? You can manage your workflow effectively by limiting work in progress, WIP, and implementing agile processes to enable fast delivery. One key tactic for streamlining the development process is also to automate continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD. Tracking the right software delivery performance metrics and making improvements based on results and their analysis also helps. 6. Respect people. Lean software development is all about collaboration and creating a supportive and productive atmosphere. For a successful approach, it is important to address problems and conflicts with communication, feedback, and respect for team members. How to implement? Tier the boundaries between business and development teams. Everyone plays to the same goal. Build a company culture of trust and empathy, allow team members to express their views and take part in the decision-making processes. 7. Optimize the whole. To apply lean software development, you must analyze and optimize processes from various perspectives. Optimizing only some parts of the process and not the whole is not how lean works. Lean approach requires streamlining the entire workflow to improve overall team performance and achieve the highest efficiency across all technology and business areas. How to implement? Measure the delivery process to identify and eliminate bottlenecks, start tracking software delivery performance metrics and process metrics. Set up automated tests to avoid costly manual rework. Optimize time to market by reviewing the progress towards achieving product goals regularly. Experience the benefits of lean product development by learning how to implement various tools and techniques from the methodology. Lean thinking is key to problem solving. Implementing lean methodology in a product development environment allows organizations to grow and improve. When you choose to implement these tools, you will experience many benefits, including the following. Some of the advantages of lean principle are the following. 1. Collaboration. Lean principles amplify learning and respect to encourage collaboration and knowledge sharing and avoid bottlenecks. Teams are empowered to make their own decisions and work together in the decision-making process. 2. Continuous improvement. Lean includes what many call the modern software development process. The workflow incorporates constant communication with customers and steady feedback. This enables continuous improvement, or Kaizen, in all parts of the operation. 3. Efficiency. Demand for software is exploding, and companies cannot deliver apps fast enough. The lean approach eliminates waste and delivers software fast, making development organizations more efficient and cutting cost. 4. Flexibility. The lean methodology incorporates flexibility, while still prioritizing speed in the software development lifecycle. It leaves room for change and lets developers alter products based on continuous feedback. 5. Quality. Lean's efficiency, continuous improvement, flexibility, and collaboration results in an overall improvement in product quality and an increase in customer satisfaction. Lean manufacturing is a strategy and philosophy developed to shorten the time between the customer's order request and delivery. The core idea of lean is to maximize product and/or service flow based on customer demand and expectations. Lean also provides us with process improvement tools to identify and eliminate inefficiencies in our day-to-day tasks. These are some of the challenges of lean software development practices. 1. Cultural resistance. Adopting lean principles often requires a cultural shift within an organization. Resistance to change from team members, management, or other stakeholders can be a significant challenge. It's crucial to address cultural barriers and foster a mindset that embraces continuous improvement. 2. Insufficient management commitment. Lean development practices require strong support from top management. If leadership is not fully committed to the principles and practices of lean, it becomes challenging to implement and sustain the necessary changes. Without top-down support, teams may face obstacles in obtaining resources and overcoming organizational barriers. 3. Dependency on skilled personnel. Lean development relies on cross-functional teams capable of handling various tasks. If the team lacks the necessary skills or experiences a shortage of skilled personnel, it can lead to bottlenecks and delays in the development process. 4. Overemphasis on speed. While speed and efficiency are essential aspects of lean development, overemphasizing speed at the expense of quality can result in issues such as increased defects and technical debt. Balancing speed with quality is crucial to delivering sustainable and valuable software. 5. Difficulty in prioritization. Lean emphasizes delivering value to the customer and encourages prioritizing work based on customer needs. However, determining what provides the most significant value and managing priorities can be challenging. Without a clear understanding of customer priorities, teams may struggle to focus on the most critical features and improvements. 6. Limited applicability to projects. While lean is well suited for certain types of projects, it may not be the best fit for every context. Some projects, especially those with highly uncertain or research-oriented goals, may require a more flexible and adaptive approach, and applying lean principles rigidly in such cases may lead to challenges. To wrap up this part of this video, it is good to understand that addressing these challenges requires a combination of effective communication, ongoing training, organizational support, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Lean development is a journey, and organizations must be prepared to adapt and refine their practices as they encounter and overcome these challenges. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to visit our online educational platform at www.eduslides.com by registering for free courses. Guess what? You can as well earn a certificate of completion after completing your course, and you don't have to pay to register. Why not subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos by clicking the subscribe button below?